So your morning started and you don't know what's up. Give me your ear and a grab of your cup. It's the time of the week you've been waiting for. So tune on in and we'll give you some more. Cause there's only one show that makes you good to go. It's Cup of Joe.
Hey Rams, I'm Shielberg.
And I'm Samantha Rodriguez.
And happy AAPI month!
With the celebration of Asian American Pacific Islander Heritage Month, we prepared a special episode to honor our AAPI community and allies.
We hope you enjoy.
Magsaya!
On May 2nd, DePaul College Prep had its first ever all-school AAPI month assembly. At this assembly, there were festivities such as prayer, poetry, music, a dragon dance, and much more. In honor of this celebration, Cup of Joe sent down a few members to record it.
Being a part of the AAPI Club has been nothing short of enlightening and exciting. Every day, I get to share cultural experiences and personal anecdotes that help me relate to my peers, and at the same time, we are also supportive of each other and we get to learn new things in all of our club meetings. It's so great how all of us have created such a sacred space for all of us to share our cultural experiences and heritage, and each of us is so unique, and that's what brings us together as a community.
What I like about the AAPI club community is that it's one of the most welcoming places I've ever been in. I got there late in the year, and I mean like really late in the year, and no one's ever been like, you weren't here the whole time. Everyone's always open and welcome to everyone who's willing to learn about AAPI or has AAPI heritage.
And one thing I really love about the AAPI Club is the discussions we have. We've had open discussions from our Dragon Boat Festival or our last year AAPI Festival. We had just big, vulnerable discussions about what we can do to support our AAPI students. We've also had historical discussions talking about what happened way back before anyone of us was born, to contemporary events, what's happening now, what's happening in America or abroad in Asia. We talk about everything, and it's really nice to hear everyone's opinion in an unjudged environment.
Did you know AAPI month is in the month of May because it commemorates the migration of the first immigrants from Japan to the US in May of 1843. It is also in remembrance of the completion of the Transcontinental Railroad on May 10, 1869 by over 20,000 Asian immigrants. Now, because of these significant historical events, Asians and Pacific Islanders across the country use the month to celebrate their own heritage and culture.
Hello! My name is Mr. Hohrein, and this is another edition of Hohrein Tries It with Friends. Here with
Adam
and
Ryan.
And we're going to be trying some Asian dishes of ever-increasing spice level.
So right here we've got samosas. They're from India.
And what are they?
So I don't really know how to explain it, but these are basically like pastry dishes, like savory pastry dishes. Inside of them are potatoes and peas. And these are supposed to be just like not spicy, but it's got a little kick to them.
Cheers. Right, very savory.
It's got some kick.
Yeah, the chutney gives it a little tingle, but nothing outrageous. So now I guess we're gonna move on to this, which is upside down. Crazy tiger jumping on the roof, kimchi. And there's a little crazy tiger jumping off the roof. So,
Okay.
all right, down the hatch. Ooh, that's got some tingle.
Yeah, definitely a step up from the samosas.
Now I understand we're going to move on to our main course. We've got some noodles that are going to be of increasing spice. Just been delivered our noodles here, and we're going to have a taste with nothing except for the hot water. This is chili flavor, so we're going to have a little taste and see where that compares.
It's pretty hot.
Ooh, it's flavorful.
Yeah, I don't know about this one. Like, I gotta try the broth or something, because...
Yeah, by itself, real savory, but not a lot of heat. So now we're going to, is everyone okay to move to the next level?
Yeah.
So apparently we now add the silver packet. All right, so here we go. There we go.
Yep.
Everyone ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's have a taste here. Ooh, that's tingly. Ooh.
There's no.
What do you think?
to that.
Yeah, it's the broth, not the noodles.
Ooh, yeah, let me get some of that broth.
I was not expecting that.
Ooh, the broth is, it's a step up even from the noodles.
Yeah.
Ooh. Yes. How you doing?
Spicy, man.
All right, is everyone alive?
Yeah.
You gonna make it?
I'll make it.
Okay. Now we've been challenged that if we dare, we add. Careful, I don't want to spill mine.
Well, I almost...
That we add this little extra seasoning here. Ooh. Ooh, that gets right at you.
I don't know if I'm mixing it right. It, like, the spice canceled out.
Yeah, a little bit.
Oh my god.
Yeah, how you doing? We got a little surprise for you guys.
Okay.
You can have the milk if you want. Or, while not at all celebrating AAPI month, I brought a can of flaming hot Mountain Dew
Well, huh?
that we could try, I thought, together and see if this makes it better or worse. Do with this? Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. It's being extreme. It just tastes like Mountain Dew after you've had all the hot stuff.
Yeah.
Probably should have had that first. Get us going. Maybe not. Thoughts on favorite? What was the hottest and what was your favorite?
This was the hottest. This was the hottest.
Silver?
Like, I don't know what was in there, but it's probably more chemicals. But this was like the ghost pepper one. Yeah, I don't know about it.
This was too spicy for me, I think, actually. I didn't tap out, but...
Any of them? Would you have any of the items that we had again?
The samosas were very good, actually.
I agree. The samosas were very good.
This was fun. I actually enjoyed this.
Yes.
This was good. Thank you.
Yeah, I enjoyed this as well. Thank you guys for inviting me onto this.
Oh, thank you. And thanks for Cup of Joe for once again letting me bring some guests out here for Hohrein Tries It. Until then, stay spicy, my friends.
Did you know Asians can be funny? Indeed, we can be not only STEM majors and lawyers, but comedians too. From Jimmy O Young to Hassan Minaj to Ali Wong and many, many more, have a laugh by watching one of the various Asian comedians' specials on Netflix or Amazon Prime.
Hi, I'm Angelina.
And I'm Samantha. For AAPI month, we're going to be performing a poem called Visible.
Written by me, Sam, and Evelyn Hagelin. This is for the Asians who are here with us now. Our pride will not be taken away.
Our excitement and wonder will forever be instantaneous.
Because we have today and we'll have tomorrow.
A reminder of our presence, a celebration of our felicity.
A knowledge of the gifts we've shared.
We've persevered with fierce determination,
Constructed a solid foundation beyond our imagination.
never to be torn down.
To be seen.
This is for the Asians that feel unseen, shown through stereotypical statistics rather than unique individuals. Voices muffled by other groups, a hidden minority.
We see you. We hear you.
Now this is your moment to truly shine.
Radiate your light for all to see.
Reclaim your identity as it's rightfully yours and mine.
Because we are telling you with undying classiness
That our uniqueness is what makes us our happiest.
it is filled with hope that carries us throughout.
We've contributed throughout history.
This is for the Asians who want to make a difference. You won't believe everything we've created.
Let us call upon the discovery of paper.
Way back in 100 BCE, we used to soar above the clouds.
Let us channel this spirit now and rise above to see the landscape sprawled below of so many just like me.
Our heart and soul poured out.
Laid our foundation in just a few things like
Gunpowder,
printing press,
kites,
spices,
physics,
acupuncture,
chess,
rulers,
glass,
puppets,
Nintendo,
K-pop,
atomic science,
YouTube,
medicine,
emojis,
magnetic compass,
Attack on Titan,
bubble tea,
silk,
soap,
ink,
laptops,
and that's not even half of it.
Lists can go on and on.
Our history is rich, rich in flavor, rich in culture. This is for the Asians and allies who are multiracial.
Trying to pick one side or the other.
Where's the fun in that? Why not blend everything together in a beautiful mixed greens? You are a whole person.
You aren't fractions, broken pieces to a puzzle.
You are multiple puzzles.
Multiple cultures for the price of one.
Own it. You deserve to feel comfortable with all parts of your spirit.
Your experiences, your stories, your interests.
Your wins, the obstacles, and how you overcame them.
I'm Japanese and Greek.
I'm Filipino and Mexican.
I'm 100% Japanese and 100% Greek.
I am 100% Filipino and 100% Mexican.
You are fully beautiful in all aspects of yourself.
This is for the Asians who love or hate STEM. Let's agree not to force people into unwanted degrees. Encourage them to follow their dreams.
Because I don't want to be your doctor. You don't want me to be your doctor. Some Asians want to be your doctor.
Let us achieve goals without expectations, without the fear that we might disappoint others.
Be an artist or an engineer. Go into business, physics, or psychology.
That's your choice. We respect that. This is for the Asians who are demanding respect. Don't need your understanding, simply content.
Live like the next one beside us, continuing the steps of our journey and community.
This is for the Asians who are proud to be who we are, not just model minorities or mythical beings.
Real people, real feelings.
Being Asian is more than just race. It's flooded with culture and inspiration.
We have students who are South Korean, Vietnamese, Thai,
Filipino, Japanese, Chinese,
Indian, Taiwanese, Cambodian,
Indonesian, Malaysian, Singaporean. This is for us, Asian American Pacific Islanders. Please stand with us today as all of us come together and share our joys.
This month is ours to claim. As our voices reach far and wide, join us in celebrating your Asians, brothers, sisters, and siblings.
Because we have today and we have tomorrow. See us.
Did you know that in all of Asia, there are over 2,300 languages spoken? These can be grouped into language families, like the Altaic family, the Austronesian family, the Sino-Tibetan family, and more. There are over 175 spoken languages in the Philippines alone. Additionally, China has 302 languages, India is home to 398 languages, including 387 living and 11 extinct languages, and Indonesia includes over a whopping 800.
Almost 2 years ago, in 2021, the last American and international troops withdrew from Afghanistan, leading to a 3-month face-off with the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan, more commonly known as the Taliban. This ended in a full-scale takeover by the regime that August. Since then, girls and women throughout the country have been prohibited from attending secondary school, teaching or attending university, pursuing careers, or working at local or international NGOs. Along with these regressions in women's rights, that the Afghan people have fought so hard to take back since the previous Taliban rule. There have also been extrajudicial killings, enforced disappearances, torture, and unlawful detention of those who have protested their tyranny. To learn more about the history and current situation of the Taliban in Afghanistan, check the links in the description of the video. And if you would like to help Afghan refugees, you can look into organizations like the International Rescue Committee to donate to. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this special AAPI month episode of Cup of Joe.
See you later, Rams.
再见.
Malam.
Ding-a-ling.
That looks like a lot. Okay. There we go. That's, well, clink, y'all. That's, I don't know if I'm gonna survive this.
Did you know that? Oh, my bad. Whoopsies.
What is the hottest thing you've ever eaten?
Like something with ghost peppers in it. I think it was like a sauce. It had like ghost pepper in it.
That's insane. I don't know. Takis.
Continental road. That's a tongue twister.
And for the record, there were no tigers jumping off roofs in the making of this video.
Who made me do this?